Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. We are in a bat area at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. Gray-headed flying fox, little red flying fox, black flying fox, and the spectacled flying fox. This is the Bat Conservation and Rescue of Queensland. You see up above many of them hanging. This is March 2nd, 2026, during the day, walking through the Koala Sanctuary. Bats just hanging from the ceiling from this cage. Very stationary. You can see the wings, this one up to the side. Some of the faces over here as well. Maybe about a dozen. There's a ground area, but all of them are hanging up above. Ooh, see, this one is spreading its wings. You can see the insides of the wings, sort of an orange color with the webbing on the wings. Most of them appear to be shy or maybe sleeping. I don't see too much movement. One in the center here, you can see going back and forth, but don't see much of a face or eyes. Some ears towards the bottom. This one spreading the wings once again. Pretty cool, and it's a daytime view of the bats rather than a simulated darkness in the cage. It's easier to see. Oh, this one's stretching a little bit more. More people coming in to see the bats as well. The sunlight right above. Try not to get a reflection. One in the back starting to spread out. And another area over here, it's more dark, but you can see the majority. Oh, there's the head coming up, the ears, the nose, and the mouth. Pretty cool. Some kids coming. Not sure what they're saying, but we're going past the bats here. This one's starting to spread out as well. You see the gray fur and more of the orange as well. Closer to its eyes. People talking about rabies in the back, but we're safe here with the webbing of the cage. All kinds of animals throughout the sanctuary. So we'll see more in upcoming videos for sure. This one moving along on the top. Upside down animals for sure. None on the ground at the moment. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary in Australia. Stay tuned for more content.